Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring makeup look for you guys. This look is just like, I feel like it came out so pretty, so awesome. I wanted to thank Smashbox for sponsoring this video today. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the awesome, amazing concealers that they have sent to me. These are the new Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealers. I know it's a lot of words. But these concealers are so awesome. They are multi-use. They are used for concealing, highlighting, and also contouring. They have 30 shades. The formula is absolutely amazing. Super blendable. Just like amazing stuff. But I'll be showing you guys how I use them in this video. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, just continue watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and hit that bell so you know when I'm posting more videos. And let's just go ahead and get into it right now. So I already started on one eye, so I'm going to do the other eye. And right now I'm going to prime my eye with some concealer. I'm just going to take this detail brush and put that all over my lid. And then blend that in. And then set it. Right now I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette that she did with BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking these two shades right here. This is the Naked and Dolce shade, and I'm using these two shades as my transition shade. Then I'm going to take the shade Dolce, and I'm just going to go into my crease with that and then deepen the crease. This particular look is all about blending. So I'm just going to continue to deepen that crease with a Dolce and get this like kind of nice tan orangey color. Next I'm going to reach into the color Vintage, which is this nice kind of brick orangey red color, and I'm just going to do the same thing, keep blending into my crease. And I'm just going to take that color again, but then I'm going to dip into the color Cocoa and then start to shade onto the outside and into my crease. I'm going to dip into Cocoa again, do it over again. And then I'm going to take some concealer again, and I'm just going to carve out a cut crease. And then I'm just going to carve that out. Before I fill that in, I'm going to take this small detail brush, and I'm just going to go onto the outer corner and deepen that up a bit. I like using the small brush because it really just like gets right where you want it. And then I'm going to take this brush from Morphe. It's the M503 brush, and I'm going to take the color Stunt, which is this nice pretty pinky shade, and I'm just going to pat that into the concealer. And then I'm going to take that detail brush again, and I'm going to take the color Vintage. I'm just going to go right on the outside of the color Stunt and the color Cocoa, and kind of try to blend those two colors together with this shade. So I had already prepped my skin earlier, but right now I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Under Eye Primer, and I'm just going to squeeze apply right under my eyeballs here. I like this because it kind of has like a bit of like fluorescent in it. Makes my like under eyes just look really like awake and shiny, which I like. So I'm just gonna take my ring fingers and just go under there. And then I'm gonna take some foundation and I'm just gonna mix two of them together. I like to add a little bit of this Skin Glass oil from North Face. Oh my god, and I just spilled it on the freaking, wow. I'm going to just put a couple drops in there and a couple drops on my face. And it's just gonna give me like more of a glowy look. Then I'm gonna take this stick foundation and I'm just going to kind of go over my hyperpigmentation. And then I'm gonna take the other foundation I have and I'm just going to apply that with my fingers. Blend that all in. So next I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Concealer. This is a new formula that they have for this concealer. It's like better for the skin. So I'm going to use the shade Medium Warm Olive. It has sort of bit of a yellow undertone to it. And these are multi-use. You can use them not only for under eye concealing, obviously, but for spot concealing and also for contouring. They have so many different shades that you can use. I really do like this formula though because it's so blendable. It's just like a nice consistency. I'm just going to highlight how I usually do. It's just so seamless, like so nice. So now that I have blended that out, I'm going to contour and I'm going to be using another shade from the Smashbox concealers. I'm going to be using the shade Dark Warm. I really like this shade because it kind of has like a orangey tone to it a little bit, which I don't know, I like the way that it blends onto the skin. It just looks really nice and bronzy and natural. Give me some snatched cheeks, honey. And this is just bringing some color back to my face since we've kind of were looking a little washed out. And then I'm just going to take some setting powder and I'm just going to set under my eyes. I'm just gonna let this kind of like settle in, just to give me a nice like chiseled cheekbone look. I'm not gonna let it sit for too long, but I just like to let it like bake a little bit right under my cheeks. So now that I have done my brows, I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance palette from Black Radiance, and it's the light to medium contour kit. And then I'm going to take this highlighting powder. This is like this really pretty pinky color. It's from MAC and this is called Floor Real. A little bit of that onto my cheeks here. I'm going to take a little bit of Chasing the Sun from Dose of Colors. This color right here. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that on the same brush. Just kind of give me a little bit more highlight. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my face before I put my lashes on, and I'm just going to take some Prep and Prime and Drown in Fix Plus. Moving back to eyes, I'm going to take the Milani Metallic Lights. I'm going to take this detail tool here, or detail brush, excuse me, and I'm just going to put this into the corners of my eye, my tear ducts. So I went ahead and lined my lips. And I'm going to, and I use the Nude 2 KK Beauty Lip Pencil. And then I'm going to use the Nude 3 lipstick from KK Beauty in the center here. I'm just going to take a little bit of the NYX Strictly Vinyl lip gloss and Sugar Mama on the outer corners. And then I'm going to add my lashes and we are close to being finished with this look. I went ahead and added some lashes. These lashes are from KCK Lashes. I went ahead and added just a little bit of the Daisy palette. These are the Vintage and Cocoa. I added those two colors on the lower lash here. Just added some mascara. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to give it a like. And all of the products and things that I use are in the description bar below. And I will see you guys in my next video.